Hi, I'm Lucy, and I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough of observability into your line agent on Cartesia's Playground. On each agent page, we try to give you extensive visibility into your agent calls, and this is why showing you detailed transcripts is so important. You might be interested in understanding the high-level conversation motives, and we have a call summary here to help you understand that and view through many of the calls within our call page seamlessly. You might also want to evaluate the STT transcriptions or review how the agent handled different cases. And that's where we come into the transcript tab. You can see here, we have turn-by-turn transcripts between the user and the agent throughout the course of the conversation. In this form-filling example, I have an agent designed to ask a series of questions and also emit log events, which is something that you'll learn more of in our SDK. And in this example here, we can see in addition to the turn-by-turn, we see between user and the agent, we can also toggle the detailed view in order to view exactly what these log events are that you might have written into your agent to store more specific information. So we see here, we have the main concern, a duration, even a severity of what my agent was requesting. Also within this panel, we can view the recording. And this is super helpful in reviewing the conversation, as well as understanding where the STT might have some places to improve. We definitely have some more observability in the works, so be on the lookout for additional information such as timestamps, tool calls, interruptions, and more soon.